All right, so I just barely got this from the good people at Zounds, and I can't begin to tell you all the good things about this great company from California called Zounds, which is where these people are from too, Cali. And this I actually got from Zounds, just like I did my Vocal Pro UHF 5800s and my Chave Di-Fi wireless DMX system. In here, I got the low lighting fog juice, which they recommend, and I only found this out because of YouTube and stuff. And being that this is the first, of these that I've actually come in contact with, I'm gonna be trying this out pretty soon. One of the main reasons that I even considered getting the Entour Chill was because of DJ Rachel. Pretty good DJ herself, and she did one hell of a job in testing this out, which I'm gonna do myself too and video it. And I'm not gonna be able to do it tonight. It's late as hell. I'm only opening this up because SoundSwitch, the lighting program that I use with my Denon Prime 4, I actually got in contact with them earlier, and I need to send them some information that's in here so they can go ahead and put that on the list for SoundSwitch. And let's go ahead and proceed with trying to open this up. I think somebody already had opened this up. Hopefully they didn't mess this order up like they did my first one. But even if it is, Zounds, they're actually going to take care of me on it. So if y'all don't know anything about Zounds, I'm gonna put the information on the description. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, and help me grow, and help me fix this place up. Hard times hit everybody. It hit me a long time ago, but I'm not giving up. I've been blessed. I ain't up tripping. All right, so this is the back where the drainage, the water that seeps out of this machine is gonna come in. It should have a tube and all that. I'm not gonna be able to take this out holding my phone, but the only thing that I'm actually looking for right now is the actual owner's manual. Hopefully there is one. There should be one. And I don't see one. None of this is way at the bottom. All right, so with that being said, I'm probably gonna end up having to just put you on my tripod. I have the Pivo system, but I don't have it on right now. So we're just gonna do this. All right, yeah, blow it down. It's a little crooked, I think. Alright, I am not a professional cameraman, but I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Okay. Alright, so let me see if I can take this bad boy out by myself. Oh, here it is. Owner's manual. Entour Chill. That's what I needed. Alright, we'll put that there. Get all this good stuff. Take this bad boy out of this plastic. bad. Alright, so here's where everything will go in. This one you can use ice and dry ice. It actually is not too big. For a machine, for a fog machine, well, yeah, it is, honestly, because, I mean, where's a regular fog machine? For comparison, this is just a cheap, little brand, but nonetheless, I mean, it's got lights and stuff. It does the job. Look at the size difference. Big difference when you think about stuff like that. As far as liquid, I'm pretty sure this will run out pretty quick. This one, they say, I think about a 1 hour continuous. And this is a threaded screw, so it's gonna lock in place pretty damn good. Make sure you don't seep out any of the fog once you put it in there. And this is where the fog juice will go. It gives you everything as far as like the warnings, all that good stuff here. This is where the drain tube would fit into this bag. Obviously the display for DMX. This is one of the main key, another reason that I got this machine was because of the DMX in and out. DMX in, I wonder why. Okay, yeah, okay, so you can take this out. This one was not in there, or if it is, I mean, I'll look for it. Maybe I already dumped it or dropped it off somewhere. But it's a 3-pin. This one is too, this is just a cover. The reset, I'm assuming. And then this twist and lock. And of course, this is also connected in here. Yeah, the remote. Hopefully a sun switch will help me to where I won't have to utilize that remote. And here's the owner's manual. This is what I'm gonna have to give a sun switch. So everything looks good. Everything looks good. I'm pleased. So now that we've done this, let's go ahead and open up this other one for the fog juice. I'm gonna see when I can do a test on this machine here. And let's see. Put this up. I only ordered one of these gallons. Good people at Zounds. Yes. Zounds is the shit, people. Y'all need to hit them up. Alright, so I got this sealed. I'm not gonna cut this yet. But this is the ADJ, the Cool Fog. This is what is recommended. I believe this is low line. Yeah, it says low line. So for trying to utilize this for the dancing on the clouds effect, always make sure that it's low line. Low line fog machines, which is what this is, a low line fog machine. This is just the small baby. It's intermediate level or in the middle somewhere. The other bigger machines cost 3 times, if not 4 times as much as what this one cost me. You can get this one for under 500, I think. 350, 450, somewhere around there. depending on where you get it from. So that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoy. I will do some testing on this later on. Thank you.